We're going to be working on a 2017 Ram 4500 today. We're going to put the Ram Man locking hubs in this jewel. First off, remove the wheel. You'll need a 22mm socket to remove the lug nuts. Next, you'll remove the axle nut, which is a 41mm. The next step will be loosening the dually wheel flange nuts. These are 21mm nuts. After we remove the dually wheel flange nuts, which is 21mm, we'll remove the brake caliper bracket and caliper, which it's a 30mm. After you remove the caliper bracket and the caliper, remove the dually wheel flange nuts and the flange. Next, remove the rotor. Then remove the ABS sensor, which is a 5mm Allen. Next is to remove the hub assembly with an E18 socket that's provided by the Ram Man. After the factory hub assembly has been removed, be sure to remove this wear washer off of the stub axle. At this point, you're ready to reinstall your new Ram Man hub assembly. Make sure to use this spacer that they have, and it goes on here, and then the hub assembly goes over the top of it, and then you'll replace the 4 E18 bolts through the back of the knuckle to hold the new assembly on. After you've got your hub assembly bolted back to the knuckle with your spacer in between the knuckle housing and the new hub assembly, make sure you put the other spacers over the studs. You also need to put your ABS sensor back in. It goes right back in there. Next, we're going to put the rotor on the new hub. And then next is the dually adapter or dually flange. After you get the dually flange back on, you can reinstall the caliper bracket and caliper. After the caliper bracket and caliper's been reinstalled, you're ready to reinstall your rim and tire. There's the new lock-in, lock-out worn hub from the Ram Man on a Ram 4500.